All right, welcome back. So we've been working on our three-letter word app. So here's what you should have so far. When we click on our app, it should scroll through our letters. We can determine what letter is going to go where. All right, so this is where we should get. All right, so if we go back over our code, just going to quickly scroll through so you can kind of see what we should have or what I have. All right, and we just started working our reset counter function right there on line 31. All right, so let's go back up here now to our reset counter function. All right, so we need to add some stuff here. All right, then we're going to say let alert equal UI alert. There we go. So the string, we're going to say resetting counter, our message. And the way I got to that is I just hit the tab button, and it'll go to where it wants us to fill something in. So we don't need a message, and the style we're going to do is dot alert. And say let OK action. So that's the only action we're going to give it, is to say OK to reset. So the title here is just going to be OK. And the title is just, and we're not going to have, actually I lied. This is going to be default. And the handler we don't need. So I'm just going to delete this. Alright, whenever I do a squiggly like this, I always hit enter so it automatically places in the one below it as well. I named that. The reason I scrolled up here was just take a look at what I named my label here, and I just named it labels. So I'm going to write labels in here. Not to be confused with label. That's the name that's our group. All right. So, and then we are going to say label.text is going to equal our question mark. All right. So what's going to happen now is, let's finish this code here quick. So once again, I can go up here and kind of see where my ends are connecting. I want to go outside of my OK action down here, and this is where we're going to add our alerts. So add action. And now we need to present the alert. All right, so these should disappear here within a second because, yeah. All right, so let's explain this. Let alert equal our controller. All right, so we gave the name alert to our alert controller, our pop-up. The title of that is going to be resetting counter. We gave it no message. Here, I said let OK action, so my OK button equal my alert action, title OK, styles default. Now, this action in is going to be what happens when I click that button. So for my collection label, my label collection, where the A, B, and C kind of pop up and where those question marks originally start, is going to set the label dot text to the question mark, and that includes all three of these. So it should set all three. So let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. All right, so here it pops up. All right, so let's go through our alphabet here. I'm just going to click all the way through, get to Z, and hopefully, uh-oh, where'd we go wrong? Let's take a look. All right, so I made a classic mistake, right? I created this function called reset counter, but I never called it. All right, so we need to go down to our when tapped, right? Because I created this name and nothing. You can see that the error happened here because the counter ran out of numbers, ran out of letters, so it crashed. All right, without getting that alert to pop up. So right after here, I'm gonna comment this out. Actually, I think I can probably just delete it. Yeah, let's go ahead and delete it. All right. So now counter plus 1. So if counter is equals 26, this is going to happen where the counter is going to reset, and then I'm calling that function. All right. And now let's go ahead and run this again and see what happens. Oh, sorry. So here's my app. We got it all running. So let's go ahead and go through our letters. You can see that that's working. Let's click through to get to Z. And when we get here, there comes up our alert, resetting counter title with the OK button. When I click this, it sets them all back to question marks, and we can go through the alphabet again. All right, so there you go. There is the final 3-letter word app, all up and functioning. Hopefully we can use this to make other apps in the future. All right, if you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day.